আমাদেরকে এই ডাউটটা দিয়েছে প্রীতম। কোয়েশ্চেনটা বলছে চেক দ্য কারেক্টনেস অফ দ্য রিলেশন H equals to R rho G by 2s for the height of a liquid of density rho, surface tension S, raised in a capillary tube of radius R and angle of contact 0 with the liquid. If incorrect, then deduce the correct form. প্রথমে উপরের রিলেশনটাকে দেখব যে H equals R rho G by 2s। আচ্ছা কোনটা কি একটু দেখি। H হচ্ছে হাইট, তাই না? হাইট, হাইট মানে কি? সিম্পলি এল। আর কি? আর হচ্ছে রেডিয়াস, রেডিয়াস মানে কি? দ্যাট ইজ অলসো লেন্থ, সো দ্যাট উইল বি সিম্পলি এল। রো হচ্ছে ডেন্সিটি, উই নো ডেন্সিটি equals mass per unit volume, that will be m l to the power minus 3. G is acceleration due to gravity, it is acceleration due to gravity, that can be written as L t to the power minus 2. S is surface tension, surface tension is force per unit length. S is surface tension, surface tension equals force per unit length, so we can write it as H. So dimension of H will be L. This one is left hand side. Now we will see the right hand side. Now in the right hand side it is given R rho G by 2s. So R rho G by 2s, okay, that is L m l to the power minus 3 l t to the power minus 2 by force per unit length, this is m l t to the power minus 2 divided by L, so that will be m t to the power minus 2, so by m t to the power minus 2. Okay, let us calculate it. So we will get m to the power 1 minus 1, because here is 1, here is 1, L to the power 1 minus 3 plus 1, t to the power minus 2 minus of minus 2. So it will be m to the power 0, L to the power 2 minus 3, that will be minus 1, t to the power minus 2 minus of minus plus, that will be t to the power 0. So we are getting L to the power minus 1. See, we have got L here, we have got L to the power minus 1 here, so they are not same. Therefore as LHS is not equal to RHS, hence the equation is incorrect. So we found out that the equation is incorrect. Now we have to find out the correct equation, we have to find out the correct form. Now see, if we apply a trick, we will do it in other process also, but if we apply a trick we can do it directly. See, left hand side is L and this one is L inverse. Now if I flip this one, if I flip this one as 2s by R rho G, this will be 1 by L to the power minus 1, because this has come as L to the power minus 1. If I flip this one, it will be 1 by L to the power minus 1, that will simply be L. So we can write it directly that the equation will be 2s by R rho G. Okay, this is the trick method, but we will follow the process. We will follow the process and we will see. See, on the left hand side we have H. Now H is proportional to S, R, rho and G. Let us S to the power A, R to the power B, rho to the power C, G to the power D. Okay, now what will be H? See, there are 4 unknowns, so it is very difficult to find 4 unknown from 3 known quantities. Okay, it becomes very difficult for us to do that. Anyways, we will try it in this way. So H, we will write it as L, will be proportional to S to the power A, that is L m t to the power minus 2, that will be m t to the power minus 2 to to the power a, L to the power b, rho to the power c. So that will be rho to the power c, that is L m L to the power minus 3 to the power c and L t to the power minus 2 to the power d. Now see, we can have three equations. Okay, now if we can reduce one variable, then that will be helpful for us. We can, if you can reduce one variable, then that will be helpful for us. Okay, let us see how we can do that. Or see, we can do it in a simple way. See, so this will be L to the power 1 proportional to m to the power a plus c. Now L to the power b minus 3c plus d and t to the power minus 2a minus 2d. Okay, now if we compare, m to the power 0 will be m to the power a plus c, so we will get a plus c equals 0. Now L to the power b minus 3c plus d will be L to the power 1, so we can write b minus 3c plus d equals 1, and t to the power minus 2a minus 2d equals to t to the power 0, or minus 2a minus 2d will be 0, or we can write a plus d will be 0. So see, we have got equations like this. Okay, now see, it will become a troublesome to do a numerical like this one. Okay, because see, we have three equations, but we have four unknown. Okay, we have four unknown. See, we have four unknown. So how will we do this one? It will become very troublesome. How will we do this one? See, now if I just assume b equals to minus 1, if I assume, I am assuming, see, I am not doing anything. If I assume b equals to minus 1, then what are the equations I am getting? A plus c equals 0. I am just doing an assumption. So minus 1 minus 3c plus d equals 1 and a plus d equals 0. So we are getting minus 3c plus d equals 1 plus 1, or minus 3c plus d will be 2. So we have these two things. One is a plus c equals 0, another one is a plus d equals 0. Okay, now we will take both of them. So see, a plus c equals 0 and a plus d equals 0. Now if we take both of them, see what we can see. If we just subtract them, we will get c minus d, that is also equals to 0, or we will get c equals d. Can we get this one? Okay, now if we get c and d as same, then if I put this in this equation, we can say minus 3c plus c equals 2, or minus 2c equals 2, or c equals minus 1. We have got c equals minus 1, then we can do d equals c, or d will also be minus 1. Now a plus c equals 0, so a plus c equals 0, or a will be minus c, or a will be minus of minus 1, so a will be plus 1. See, we have got some things, right? A er value পেয়ে গেছি আমরা, we have got c's value, we have got d's value. Okay, এই কটা ভ্যালু পেয়ে গেছি, আর এই কটা ভ্যালু বের করতে গিয়ে we have to assume b equals to minus 1. এখন কেন assume করলাম, কেন অ্যাজিউম করলাম b ইকুয়ালস টু -1? কেন অ্যাজিউম করলাম b ইকুয়ালস টু -1? তার কারণ হচ্ছে আমার কাছে যে ইকুয়েশনটা দেওয়া ছিল, our equation had 4 variables a b c d, চারটে ভেরিয়েবল ছিল। now you cannot find out 4 variables from 3 equations, it's not possible. To find out 3 variables you can have 3 equations, to find out 4 variables you need to have 4 equations. That's why we assumed b as -1. এখন প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে স্যার আমি -1 কেন অ্যাজিউম করবো? আমি তো অন্য কিছু অ্যাজিউম করতে পারি। করতেই পারো, দেখবো আলটিমেটলি কি মিলবে না। এইখানে তোমাকে ইনটুইশনটা কাজে লাগাতে হবে, এখানে তোমাকে ইনটুইশনটা কাজে লাগাতে হবে যে তুমি এখানে কি ইউজ করলে বেটার হতে পারে, কি ইউজ করলে তোমার সুবিধা হতে পারে। ওকে, এইটা তোমাকে মাথায় আনতে হবে, এটা নিজেকে তোমাকে বুঝে করতে হবে। এইটাই একমাত্র নিউমেরিক্যাল তোমাদের এই গোটা ডাইমেনশনে যেটা একটু ক্রিটিক্যাল আছে। আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো। ওকে, সো উই উইল ফাইন্ড আউট দি রিলেশন. So the final relation will be h proportional to, see, h proportional to, we have taken h proportional to, we have taken s to the power a, r to the power b, c and d. So s to the power a, r to the power b, and rho to the power c, g to the power d, and rho to the power c, g to the power d. So h proportional to s to the power a, we have got +1, r to the power b, we have got taken -1, c -1, d -1. So -1 rho to the power -1, g to the power -1, or that will simply be h proportional to s by r rho g, or that will be h equals to some constant into s by r rho g. Now here in the question they have already mentioned the variable 2, so the constant 2, so we will take the constant as 2, so it will be 2s by r rho g. I hope I have made this doubt clear. Everyone needs to see this one, it's an important doubt, and study this one, practice this one more time at home also.